Hey there loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on my buffet table, which is located in my living room right behind my sofa. For our very first look, I added the bar to the table off camera because it was a lot to move. Next, I'm going to add this beautiful tall vase that kind of looks antique, but it's not. I absolutely love this vase. And to the vase, I have a floral arrangement with some white stems as well as some pink stems and twigs. Then next to that, I'm going to add my DIY faux antique vase. On the opposite end of my buffet, I'm going to be adding my tall white DIY vase along with the exact same stems that I have in the first arrangement. We've been loving this look. We've had it in our space for several weeks now, and it is our signature style because this area is usually used to host our bar area. For look number 2, I'm going back in with that beautiful tall grayish antique looking vase. I'm just going to place it to that same end, and then I'm going to be adding a floral arrangement, but I wanted to keep it more plain and kind of sparse. So the floral arrangements that I'm using are more twig-like and stems, just to kind of give that feel that flowers are just now coming into bloom for spring. To the opposite end of the buffet, I'm just going to be adding a few vases. Everything I'm using are items that I've already had in my possession, so go ahead and use items which you guys already have. Shop your home first because I did not go out to purchase anything. I just wanted to create some looks with things that I've already had. And then for the center of my table, I'm going to add my black moss bowl, and that completes look number 2. Let me know what you guys think about this one. For look number 3, we're going to have somewhat of a similar look. I just wanted to swap a few items around just to show you guys that you can just add or remove an item and the look changes a lot. So I'm leaving that tall vase, and under my moss bowl I'm going in with some white books. Then to the opposite end, I'm adding in my tall white DIY vase, and to complement the other vase from the opposite end, I'm adding in my DIY smaller vase, and that completes this look. For look number 4 and my final look, I have to admit this one was my favorite. I absolutely love the way this turned out. Spoiler alert, okay? First, I'm going in with my tall DIY white vase, and then to this vase, I'm going to add that same floral arrangement that I had in the gray antique looking vase, and I'm just going to zhuzh it up so it looks fluffy. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in and add my tall gray antique looking vase right next to that. And I absolutely love how the two of these vases look standing side by side. To the opposite end, to complement the tall white vase, first I'm going in with some white books and I'm placing them down for my base, and then on top of that, to complement my tall antique looking vase, I'm going in with my DIY faux antique vase. Then I'm adding in my DIY wall art. This actually came from my bedroom makeover video, so if you guys did not watch that, head over to the channel and check that out. I'm thinking about adding a piece of art here because I love the way this look. Then in front of it, I just added another small brown vessel to complete the look, and I love how this turned out. You guys have to let me know which look was your favorite and which look you would try inside your own home. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also comment down below and subscribe if you have not as yet, and I will see y'all in the next video. So until then, auf Wiedersehen.